In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Forms public. This will be a quick and easy process, perfect for those who want to share their forms widely, whether for gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or simply sharing information effortlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into Google Forms. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Forms, or locate it through your Google Apps. Once you're logged in with your Google account, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can see a list of all your forms. Being logged in is essential because it allows you to access and edit your forms without any restrictions. Now that you're signed in, the next step is to select the form you want to make public. On the main dashboard, browse through your forms and click on the desired one. If you have a long list of forms, you might find it helpful to use the search function at the top to quickly locate the right one. Once you've selected the form, it will open up in the editing view, allowing you to make any necessary changes before you share it with others. With your form open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see several options, including a button labeled Publish. Click this button to publish your form. This step is crucial as it is what transitions your form from private to public, making it accessible to anyone with the link. Publishing your form ensures that others can view and interact with it without needing special permissions or a Google account. Once you've clicked the Publish button, a prompt will likely appear asking you to confirm your decision. This is just a safety measure to ensure that you want to proceed with making the form public. Click Publish again to confirm. This confirmation serves as a final check before your form is live, giving you the opportunity to catch any last-minute mistakes. And there you have it. Your form is now accessible to anyone with the link. You can copy this link and share it via email, social media, or any other platform you choose. Making a Google form public is as simple as that, and now you can reach your audience with ease and efficiency. Whether you're collecting data for a research project or inviting friends and colleagues to provide input, sharing your form publicly is a powerful tool to broaden your reach. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Happy sharing!